Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, I am Diva Aziza Sabila Putri Widanti. I am an occupational therapy student. Here I will deliver an article entitled Examination Tools in Occupational Therapy Pediatric Laboratory. I will tell what occupational therapy is, especially in the field of pediatric, and one of therapeutic media or toys used for intervention in children. Occupational therapy is a form of health service to client or patient who experience disorder, physical, mental, or social, by providing activities or exercise to increase independence in various daily activity, so that health can be improved and maintained and prevent disability. The goal of occupational therapy is to restore the impaired function as much as possible by providing planned activities taking into account the patient condition. This is in the form of asset or ability owned by patient, limitation possessed by patient, environment, family, patient expectation, and so on. There are 8 occupational therapy domains, namely activity daily living, instrumental activity daily living, work, leisure, education, rest and sleep, play, and social participation. Occupational therapy are include adult physical area, psychosocial area, and pediatric area. In the pediatric area, occupational therapy focuses on providing activities or exercise for children. Several conditions are often referred to occupational therapy, especially in pediatric area, namely autism, cerebral palsy, attention deficit hyperactive disorder, learning disability, children with visual or perceptual disorder, and so on. Early childhood will be the basic of development and growth at a later stage. The age range of newborn to the age of 6 years is referred to as the golden age, where children will begin to be sensitive and appear curious about something new. Good development at an early age will also have a good impact on further development. Every child will have different stages of development. Some children will develop rapidly and some children will experience developmental delay. To prevent developmental delay, it is necessary to have stimulation that can optimize child development. The stimulation of provider must be in accordance with the stage of the child age and development at the time. One of the abilities or aspects that need to be stimulated is the aspect of cognitive development. This aspect of cognitive development will provide knowledge to children about what they see around them. This is in line with Piaget's opinion in Sojourner 2013 that cognitive aspects are fundamental and what guides children's behavior lies in understanding how knowledge is structured in various aspects. Occupational therapy that focus on the pediatric area will provide training or therapy to stimulate children's cognitive ability by using various games. One game that can be used is geometric puzzle. Geometric puzzle are puzzles with geometric shapes such as square, rectangles, circle, triangle, and so on. Geometric puzzle will be used to see problem-solving skills that are usually given to children aged 2 to 3 years. These games are easy for parents to find and buy for their children to play at home. This geometric puzzle is also not too dangerous for children, but parents still have to provide supervision. Unfortunately, this geometric puzzle only have geometric shape, which might not be as appealing to some children as puzzle with animal or fruit. Some of the benefits of using geometry puzzle: 1. Stimulate children to think more complex. Puzzle games will stimulate children to think more complexly and will stimulate children to think about how to arrange puzzle to become perfect puzzle. 2. Introducing various shapes to children. Geometry puzzle will help children recognize geometric shapes, which will later help children recognize the shape of objects around them. Children will slowly be able to distinguish the shapes of objects around them and remember the name of the shape. 3. Knowing the concept of perception ability of children. In addition to being used to stimulate cognitive abilities, occupational therapists also use geometric puzzle to determine a child's concept or perception ability by conducting an examination using the occupational therapy examination on children's concept or perception instrument, in which there are several examinations using geometric puzzle. Here are some steps or how to use geometric puzzle in the occupational therapy examination on children perception or concept instrument. 1. Geometric puzzles are used to examine children aged 2 to 3 years. 2. Prepare a geometric puzzle. If possible, the geometric puzzle have a different color for each shape. 3. Remove all the puzzle and explain to the children that they must put the puzzle back together according to their shape. 4. Don't forget to ask if the child understands the explanation or instruction given. If the child already understands, that the child is welcome to start installing the puzzle. But if the child does not understand, please explain again in a language that is easier for the child to understand. 5. When the child put the puzzle together, the occupational therapist observe and record how the child's ability to solve problem assembles the puzzle. Is the child able to put the puzzle together or not? How is the child's attention? Whether when the child have difficult installing the puzzle, they will have tantrum. How is the child sitting position? 6. If the child has finished installing the puzzle, give an appreciation or reward about the child's ability. Example: wow, good job, you can already install your own puzzle. 7. Finally, don't forget to clean up the tools that have been used. Geometric puzzle is a game that provides several benefits for children's development. This puzzle can be used to stimulate and determine the cognitive and perceptual abilities of children, which will certainly have a positive impact on the child's further development process.